dear life. Surging waters took everyone by surprise. This man narrowly escaped drowning when two men came to rescue him with a rope, just seconds before a car crashed into the street lamp he'd been hanging on to. Floods have wreaked havoc across northeastern Tunisia, washing away cars and trucks and damaging houses and roads. Many residents are in shock.
They say the situation is under control, but no one's helping us. No one.
The damage is considerable, and this is all because of illegal construction.
Rising water levels have been caused by record rains over the weekend. The region of Naboul saw the equivalent of 6 months of rainfall in just 24 hours. 200 millimetres fell on the coastal city and some 295 millimetres on the neighbouring town of Beni Khalid, east of Tunis.